Hi, this is Jill and welcome to this Millennial Tita's YouTube channel. So a little disclaimer. All the opinions expressed in this vlog is just mine. Okay, I don't speak for any of the companies I'm affiliated with or was. So, yan. Two kinds of insurances. We have the traditional insurance at saka yung sikat na sikat ngayon, lalo na sa mga millennials, VUL. Okay, so traditional insurance is pretty much pag may nangyari sa'yo, nagbabayad si insurance company. Okay, nagkasakit ka, may pera ka. Nawala ka sa picture, may pera yung family. Nag-retire ka, may pera, may mag-aaral yung anak mo, may pera. So, that's pretty much insurance. Now, sumikat ngayon is yung VUL. In fact, that is also my first policy in my mid-20s, no? Medyo late na rin ako. If I had known earlier na may ganun palang features ang insurance and that I needed insurance in my life, di sana mas maaga ako nag-start. So, I started in my 20s and then I got a VUL. So, what is a VUL? Ito yung traditional insurance with a minimal investment, okay? But it's really long-term savings. So, I got it from my friend and feeling ko sobrang rockstar na ako noon kasi meron na ako isang insurance policy. But in reality pala, as you grow and the family grows, nag-evolve pala. So, this is, if there's one key takeaway that I want you to know na hindi isang insurance policy lang ang kailangan mo sa buhay mo. I repeat, hindi lang isa ang kailangan mo. So, I started with a VUL. So, it's pretty much all in. So, life insurance, critical illness, tapos may retirement, whatever. But in reality, nag-change eh. I got that when I was in my 20s and then I only had one kid, no? Now, knowing what I know now, I've been in the industry for a few years now. And then I realized, I also discovered the beauty of this called BTID. So what is a BTID? You might have heard it from your financial buffs, buy term, invest difference. So in my world, I say buy, trad, invest difference. So I got health insurance coverage that will make sure that in the event that I contract this critical illness, I have money to support my treatment. Okay, apart from the HMO. HMO is another thing. It's a given. You should have an HMO. And so, yan. I am most proud of how I have set up the health insurances that I have now. Tapos, of course, to maximize my life coverage, I got term insurance. Why did I get term? Tapo ng pera dyan. There's no such thing as tapo ng pera sa insurance. Because if, for example, you're paying piso to get 1 million pesos, tapos hindi mo nagamit yung 300 pesos mo for the year dahil hindi ka na-deads. So, anong sayang doon? Paano kung na-deads ka? Diba? So, hindi siya tapon. I wouldn't also want to throw that around so loosely. Hindi tapon ang pera sa term insurance because it's consumable. It's pretty much like the food you eat. Diba? It pays for the risk, daily risk that you have, being exposed to the elements that you are exposed. Diba? Hindi natin alam. Bigla naglalakad ka lang. Time mo na pala at kinuha ka na ni Lord. What will happen to your family? Diba? So, we set up the term insurance to maximize the coverage. Like for example, a 30-year-old will only need, 1,000 peso a month to be insured 4 million pesos. It's really around that. So, you also need term insurance. In fact, I also have term insurances under my name. Because, why not? Diba? Kung kaya mo nga bumili ng Starbucks, kaya mo rin ng term insurance. And then, I also set up VULs for the kids. Pero maliit lang to. It's pretty much like your piggy bank nga, diba? So, ipon lang ng konti para lang masanay. Masanay ka dun sa behavior ng pag-iipon. So, it's long term. Basta, your mindset when you get VUL is long term. Okay? You don't get VUL, hindi mo ilalagay ang pera mo sa VUL for money that you will need this year or next year. Okay? Ang horizon dapat na tinitingnan mo kung maglalagay ka ng pera sa VUL, dapat itong pera na to, may it be a huge or a small amount, hindi mo siya dapat kailangan within the next 7 to 10 years. The crown jewel of our insurances is pretty much this worldwide coverage for hospitalization. So why did we get that? Last year, we got that for the family, even before all this crazy happened, COVID happened. So we got that because sobrang exposed namin to a lot of people na, alam mo yon, na these things happen. People really get sick and it just comes out of the blue. So we want to better our chances at preparation. So we got this worldwide coverage, and it covers us for 100 million. But true enough naman na medyo sizable yung premiums. But this is what gave us peace of mind through this pandemic. Okay, it's the crown jewel of all our policies. Because kahit papano, hindi mo siya gustong gamitin, pero in the event na kailanganin mo siya, meron. 'Di ba? Moving forward, my next steps are to get more aggressive investments. So, single pay, I'm working on getting a single pay policy again for the kids. Especially number 1 will be 8 soon and 2 will be 2 soon. Kaya dapat i-set up na yan. This is your millennial tita reminding you to subscribe and always take a bath.